I'm back at CVS today for the start of a brand new 2-week ad. We're going to go over all the best new deals that we have going on with this ad. It will be good this week and next week. So next Sunday, I will be posting another deals video with deal updates for new coupons and rebates, but we will be working with the exact same extra care buck promotions. This is a pretty basic week. We have a lot of repeat deals going on that we've had like the past 6 months to year, but there is a couple of good things going on this week with some different high value digital coupons and Ibotta rebates. I also did want to film a rolling extra bucks video starting from nothing. So even if you have no extra care bucks coming into this week, you can see what your true out of pocket is, rolling and getting a bunch of stuff for a low out of pocket cost. I'll be showing my receipt breakdown for that at the end of this video, and then my short form video will be up shortly for that rolling extra care bucks video. So with all that being said, let's get into the deals this week. And if you're not already, make sure you're following me on all my short form platforms where I post all of my short form videos. I'm kaylakoupons, the same way that my channel is spelled, on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and then here on YouTube Shorts. We have a super awesome deal on these Honest baby wipes, the flushable, I think it's 42 count. They're $4.29 and buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two and you get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab two at $4.29, totaling $6.43. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, making your final cost for two just $1.43 for both. And your store also may have them priced even lower, like $3.99, which would make it an even better deal. The Sally Hansen products are buy one, get one 50% off, so you can grab two hard as nails totaling $6.28. They're $4.19 each. And then we have a $3 CVS CRT and a $3 digital coupon, so that'll leave you to pay just 28 cents for both. That's a great deal. The $3 digital coupon does expire this week though, so if you want to do this deal, you're going to have to do it this week. Neutrogena moisturizers are spend $25 and you get back a $10 extra buck. So you could grab one of these Hydro Boost, for example, at $25.79. We have a $5 CVS CRT that everyone got this week and a $5 digital coupon. So with those two, you'd be left to pay $15.79. Earning back the $10 extra buck would make your final cost just $5.79. I'm really hoping that we do get another Activate Rewards rebate soon. The 25 count Neutrogena makeup wipes are $6.99 and buy two and you get back a $7 extra buck. So you can grab two totaling $13.98. We did just get a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd pay $8.98, get back your $7 extra buck, making your final cost $1.98 for two or 99 cents each. The L'Oreal facial care is spend $30 and you get back a $10 extra buck. So you could grab one of these L'Oreal Revitalift at $30.49 and use a 5 off 25 CRT, as well as a $5 manufacturer digital coupon. And you'd pay $20.49, get back your $10 extra buck, making one of these just $10.49. Nivea body wash is spend $10 before coupons and you get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab two of the Nivea Women's Derma Comfort or the regular men's body wash that are $5.99 each, totaling $11.98. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, making your final cost $6.98 for two. Hopefully next week we get some Ibotta rebates or digital coupons. Wanted to give you guys a heads up that I noticed that some of the ad deals and online deals are not matching up with the in-store deals. For example, online and in the ad, Tresemme hair care products are buy two, get seven. In-store, at my store, they're ringing up for spend 10, get three. They're marked for spend 10, get three. So I don't really know what's going on. Maybe it's some sort of issue with CVS with the tags they sent or what deals they're running online versus in-store. Same thing with the Pantene online, buy one, get one 40% off in the ad, in-store 2 for $9. Don't know what's going on. Another deal that's different in-store versus online this week is the OGX. In-store, $7.99 and buy two, get back a $6 extra buck. Online, buy one, get one 40% off and buy two and you get back a $2 extra buck. So I did decide to do this week because I wanted to grab some of the styling items that are normally more expensive, like $10.99. So grabbing two of them at $7.99 would total $15.98. If you still have your 6 off 2 digital coupon, you can use that. You pay $9.98, get back the $6 and extra bucks, making your final cost for two OGX items, and you can grab two of the more expensive OGX items, just $3.98 for two or $1.99 each. The Garnier Whole Blends is 2 for $9 and buy two and you get back a $3 extra buck, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd pay $6, get back your $3, making your final cost just $3 for two or $1.50 each. Maybelline Cosmetics are buy two and you get back $5 in extra bucks this week. So you can grab one of the baby lips at $4.99 and one of the Falsies mascaras at $10.99, totaling $15.98. And you can use a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT and a $3 CRT that everyone got this week. And you'd be left to pay $9.98, earning back your $5 extra buck. And then you can submit to Ibotta for a $2 rebate back on the mascara, making your final cost just $2.98 for both items or $1.49 each. If you do not already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box box down below and in the pinned comment. If you do sign up with my link, you get a $5 bonus. We got another $4 Coppertone coupon, and it is again working on the travel size. The liquid at $4.99 and the spray at $4.99. So using that coupon, you'd be left to pay just 99 cents. It's a super great, easy, cheap item to pick up at CVS. The Polydent are buy two and you get back a $5 extra bucks. So you can grab 2 of them at $3.59, totaling $7.18. You'd pay that, get back your $5, making your final cost $2.18 for both, or $1.09 each. Degree dry spray deodorants are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 of them. They're priced at $6.99 at my store. So 2 would total $10.48, and we do have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Using that, you pay $6.48, get back your $3 in extra bucks, making your final cost for 2 just $3.48 for both. And you could submit your receipt to Fetch. We do have bonus points on Fetch. I believe it's spend 15, you get back 1,500 points. So you can submit your receipt and work towards getting those points back. If you do not already have Fetch, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. If you sign up with my link, you get a $2 bonus when you snap your first receipt. The all detergent, the liquid, and the pods for the smaller sizes are on sale for $5.29, and they are buy 2 and you earn back $3 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2, totaling $10.58. You pay that, get back your $3 extra buck, making 2 of them $7.58. Now, we did used to have Ibotta rebates, like as of Saturday and Friday and Saturday, ranging between $1.50 and $2 back. So if you do have those, you could grab like 1 liquid and 1 pods, and you could get back 1 limit of 1 rebate for each of the items. Let me know if you still have those rebates in the comment section down below. Mine did disappear as of today on May 24th on Sunday, but you should check your Ibotta because you may still have them, or they may pop up throughout the week. The 19 count pods are on sale for $7.99 each this week for Tide, and we got a $7.99 off of 2 digital coupon. So it'd make 2 packs just $7.99. Not the best deal, but it is a high value digital coupon. Next, getting into a couple of spend 30 and you get back a $10 extra buck on P&G laundry. You can grab 2 of the Tide liquids on sale for $14.99 each if your store participates in the 98% rule. So 2 would total $29.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for 1 in the CVS app, and for the other, you can use a Coupon 24 app coupon for $3 off, and you pay $23.98, getting back your $10 extra buck, would make your final cost for 2 of them just $13.98. Another way that you can do your spend 30 get 10 deal is grabbing 1 of the Tide liquid at $14.99, 1 of the Cottonelle at $9.99, and then 1 of the Dawn power suds at $5.99, totaling $30.97. Again, we have a $3 digital for the Tide liquid. We have a $2 digital for the Dawn. You'd be left to pay $25.97, earning back your $10 extra buck, would make your final cost for all 3 items just $15.97. The larger 80 count Lysol wipes are buy 1 get 1 free, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So you could grab 2 of the dual action at $10.99. You'd pay that, get back your $3 extra buck, making your final cost for 2 of them just $7.99. Heads up that the Persil detergent is buy 1 get 1 free this week. We used to have a 50-cent Ibotta rebate. It did disappear for me. I'm going to see next week if we get some good coupons or some better Ibotta rebates for this deal. We have another gift card promotion this week for spend 50 and you get back a $10 extra buck on these select gift cards. I think this week I'm going to pick up a Bath & Body Works gift card because I do need to get a birthday present. It's a great way to get a gift card and earn some extra bucks back to use for couponing. All Claritin users need to know about the deals going on this week. They are so good. The 30 count is on sale for $19.99. Buy 1, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab 1 and use a $5 digital coupon from the CVS app, and you'd be left to pay $14.99. You'll earn back your $3 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $5 back, making your final cost for the 30 count just $6.99. We also have the 100 count. That's an even better deal. It is $44.99 and buy 1 get back a $5 extra buck. You can use a $12 digital coupon. You pay $32.99, get back that $5, and you could submit to Ibotta for $12 back, making your final cost for 100 Claritin pills just $15.99. Definitely let someone that you know that has allergies or uses Claritin know about this deal because it's great stacking those 3 deals together. Heads up that lots of the different sunscreen are spend 25 and you get back $10 in extra bucks. It includes the Coppertone, where we have a $4 digital and a $2 digital, and the Banana Boat and Hawaiian Tropic that we have a 4 off 2 digital for. It also includes the Solar Cane, which is out of stock at my store. They're on sale for $9.99 each. We do have $4.99 Ibotta rebates up to a limit of 5, so that'd be a great way to reach that $25 to get back your $10 extra buck. And we even have 1,800 points back on Fetch. That is a multi-redemption offer. So if your store carries the Solar Cane, it's a great item to throw into the spend 25, get a $10 extra buck sunscreen deal. The General Mills cereal are on sale for $2.49 each, so you can grab 2 of them totaling $4.98 and use $1 off 2 digital coupon, and you pay $3.98, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 2 boxes, making your final cost $2.98 for 2 or just $1.49 each, plus we'll have to keep our eyes peeled for any fetch rebates. So as I said I was going to do, I did grab the Bath & Body Works gift card for $50, and my $10 extra buck did print. I'm going to give this to my nail lady, who I've been going to for like 3 years now. I know she loves Bath & Body Works, and it was her birthday a few weeks ago. I also did try out the OGX deal. They did ring up for the in-store price at $7.99. Used my 6 off 2 digital coupon and $10 in extra bucks, paid nothing, got back my $6 in extra bucks, making my net cost just $3.98 for 2. Then I did my rolling extra bucks transactions, a total of 5 transactions. I did the Neutrogena moisturizer, paid $15.79, got back the $10 in extra bucks, making my net cost just $5.79. Then I rolled that $10 in extra bucks into the Neutrogena wipes deal and the Coppertone travel size sunscreen. I paid nothing, using my extra bucks to pay, and then earned back the $7 in extra bucks. So net cost, I think it was $2.97, and I'm going to use that $7 in extra bucks in transaction 3. Using my $7 in extra bucks on the Honest baby wipes as well as the Sally Hansen, it rounded down to $6.71. That's all I owed after my other coupons. And then I earned back $5 in extra bucks from the Honest baby wipes deal. So only a net cost of about $2. Rolled that $5 in extra bucks into the whole blends deal. So using that $5 extra buck, I paid $1 out of pocket, got back my $3 in extra bucks, making my net cost just $3 for the 2 whole blends. Gonna roll my $3 in extra bucks into transaction 5. And to end off rolling my extra bucks, I grabbed 2 of the Tide Pods at $7.99, used that $7.99 off 2 digital coupon and the $3 in extra bucks, and paid $4.99. I did post a full short form video of my rolling extra bucks scenario and what my final total out of pocket cost is if you started with no extra bucks. So if you want to check that out, it's really good. I think I spent like $21 and got over $94 worth of products between these 5 transactions. So really good rolling extra bucks video. That short form video is already live for you guys if you want to check that out. It's my most recent short form post. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. If you did, please leave this video a like and a comment to help push it out to more people so more people can learn couponing at CVS. And I will catch you guys in next week's Sunday video.